everyone, and today I am really excited because I am bringing you guys something pretty incredible. This is a money-making application and one very specific strategy, one kind of trick you can use to get a ton of money out of this application. And this is why I'm so freaking excited, guys, because this is gonna just blow your mind. And yeah, this is gonna be super awesome because this is gonna make you a lot of money. Just wait, this is gonna make you a lot of money. So quickly before that, guys, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to make money online and at home. Alrighty, guys, so I don't know if you've watched my other videos, but I just moved into a different area. I don't know, the desk looks kind of the same, but I have my iPad with me right now, meaning that I actually have autotouch. I know I've talked about autotouch quite a bit in the past, and I'm actually going to show you how to use autotouch. Today I have it on my iPad here. I don't have it on my phone, which is right here, but I do have it on my iPad, and we're going to be learning about autotouch and some things like that. But quickly, we're going to be talking about the application first, which is how to make a ton of money online. So let's get into it. The application itself is called Money App, and it's, I guess you can tell what application it is by the icon here. There's a lot of applications out there, I'm pretty sure, called Money App, but none of them have this exact icon. So it's essentially a red square with a white circle and then a white dollar sign in it. So if you're on the lookout for this application, which I absolutely recommend because this can make you a tremendous amount of money, then definitely be aware to get the right one, and that's this one right here that I'm kind of drawing an imaginary circle around. I know, totally creative, right? Anyway, so we can talk about this application just a little bit at first. I can just give you guys a brief introduction of how this application works. It's called Money App, and I guess one of the first things you'll see is that down here you'll see something called Hot Offers, More Offers, Rewards, and more. And the real thing that you want to pay attention to are the offers. Well, I guess also the rewards, of course, but we're going to get into the offers real quick. So one of the offers, by the way, guys, is the real secret here, but I'm giving you kind of a brief introduction. So it has attendance reward, all of these kinds of things. I don't recommend looking a lot at the hot offers because these aren't the ones you want to concentrate on. These are kind of popular offers, kind of daily task type things. The one you really want to keep your eye out for, and the one we're going to utilize in this video, is the More Offers section, in which you can find something called Watch Videos here, and amongst 3 other reward tasks. And I guess some starter tasks, but I kind of ignore those. And the real thing you want to watch out for here is Watch Videos, because Watch Videos is essentially endless. I can just give you a quick demonstration of Watch Videos. I know you guys can now see my camera in the hand and how scratched up my screen is, but yeah, so it's just gonna run a 30-second or so ad application, and or application for an ad, and then we're going to get into the real important stuff, the meat of it, the big thing about this video, the thing that I'm really excited about. So yeah, once this once this ad ends, then we'll talk about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna X out of this. Cool. So alright, so do you guys want to see something really cool? Okay, so I earned some credits. Okay, this is really cool. Ready? I'm gonna use autotouch. And autotouch, if you guys don't know, is this application right here. It's a Cydia application, so you have to jailbreak your device, but that is extremely simple, guys. People are like, oh, I don't want to jailbreak something. It's like, come on, get a really cheap device, jailbreak it. You know, you can get something for 50 bucks on eBay or whatever it is, and it'll be worth every penny, I promise. It's one of the simplest things you can do. You can Google it, you can get it done in less than an hour, guys. So simple, and it'll lead to a lot of tremendously great things. So keep that in mind. All right, so I'm gonna go to Money App, and then I'm gonna go here, and now watch this. I have autotouch running here, and then I have something called Make Money. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says Make Money red dollar sign .lua. And that is my recording for this particular application. I've also created a recording for a different application, and we'll get into that in a different video. But this is really an important one. So we're gonna do Money App red dollar sign, and then I will just do, let's say, oh, I don't know, 3 times. Though you can do it infinitely, guys. You can literally just go like this and hold on to it, and look how quickly you can just go up to like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands and thousands. You know, you don't have to do this, but essentially times in auto touch means how many times do you want a recording to play. And if you don't know what auto touch is essentially something that records your finger movements and then just repeats them over and over and over again without you having to be there. A lot of people use this application. It's extremely popular. It costs $5. It's very cheap. Anyone can get it. Anyone can use it. It's really easy, guys, so I definitely recommend getting it. But using it is a different matter. Well, actually not really. It's really easy to use too. Interval is essentially the time space between each play. So like if you play it once and your interval is 3 seconds, it'll wait 3 seconds before playing it again. So I'm gonna have actually a 3-second interval, and then speed I always check to 1x. And then let's have it run 4 times. Now I'm going to play and just watch. See, it's automatically doing things for me. And I started out here at 52 points, and watch this. It's just gonna automatically do more and more for me. It's gonna get me many, many points, and it's just gonna do this on repeat infinitely, and it's gonna make me essentially as much money as I want, and as quickly as it can. It's like a mini employee, guys. You can think of it almost as a mini employee. Alrighty, so it finished with this ad, and it says congratulations, plus 2 credits, and then eventually, well, my recording, I gave it the space of about 45 seconds because just to make sure that no ad is too long for this recording and it doesn't mess up the recording, because some ads are longer than others. So eventually you'll see this being clicked, you'll see this exit out of, and it'll restart, and it's just amazing, guys. So yeah, boom, there we go, clicked, that'll be clicked, and then that'll be clicked. No one's here, there's no, extra hands or anything like this. This is all being done automatically. Boom, and it goes to the next ad, and I was at 52 points at the very beginning, and now I'm at 54. And if I had set this to, how it said times in the auto touch menu section, if I had set this to like 400 times, then it would play 400 times, guys. And as long as it doesn't glitch out or anything like that, as long as your device is low on storage and up to date and all these types of things, then you're gonna be good. It's not gonna glitch out, especially with these simple apps, and you're gonna make as much money as you want to. I guess another point of advice, guys, is to have multiple devices that are running at the same time if your internet bandwidth can kind of handle that. I know at my home, my internet is absolutely terrible. My upload speed, or I can't remember which, but I think my download speed is like 2.5, and that's really atrocious. So I don't know, guys, but certainly you see it's doing this thing by itself, and I'm at college right now, so my internet is better, and I have multiple devices. And so yeah, as I kind of showed you, these are 2 of my devices, and so this is just an awesome thing, guys. It's running automatically. This is magic here. This is magic, and it's something that kind of just shows you how awesome technology is and how you can kind of exploit little flaws in the system to make you a ton of money. You guys can make a ton of money with this. I've shown this to tons and tons of people, on different blogs, on just, I guess, person to person from my friends. It's gonna click the X, it's gonna do it again. I've shown this to a ton of people, and it's worked for every single one of them. So, I definitely know that this can work for you if you do some of the things that are necessary, if you kind of outsmart the system, but I'm teaching you how to outsmart the system, and that's why I'm so excited, because this is just an awesome method. So here we go. I think it might run one more time or something like that, but it's doing all these things automatically and it's getting more points. You guys can already see it was at 58 points right there. Just think about that, guys. I didn't do anything except press play and count up the number of times I wanted it to play, and it's playing for me. It's doing all of this for me, so I don't have to do the hard manual labor here, and it's running through these ads, and it's gonna make a lot of money. So that is the essential point of this video. I guess we'll just kind of wait just a little bit to show you guys the final situation here, the final output, And yeah, I mean, this is a really consistent thing. It's a very easy thing. It's a very simple thing. And anyone can do it, and you can do it. I know you can do it. You just need a device. You need autotouch. You need to jailbreak it. This is, takes one day kind of thing, less than a day, less than a couple hours. I mean, it's just a super simple process. And boom. Okay, so I just finished the recording, because remember, I only set it to play 4 times. You can set it to play infinite times. You seriously can. You can have this play all day, all night, and get you tons and tons of money. So that's how you're gonna get rich off this application. So it says autotouch playing finished. I'm gonna press OK. And it's gone back to normal, and boom, I have 60 points, and that's exactly what I expected, because each run gives you 2 points. I started out with 52, and I went to 60, which means I got 8 total. And because I did 4 runs, that's 4 times 2 is 8, and that's about right. So there you go, guys. Actually, it's exactly right. Yeah, this is what I've been hyping up this entire time with autotouch and all of this. And this is just one demonstration. I'm going to be showing you guys tons of future demonstrations. So be sure to subscribe, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys all kinds of awesome tips and tricks of how you can make money online, how you can be rich, and that's what it's all about. I've achieved awesome support from you guys recently. I've gotten tons and tons of new subscribers, and it's making me insanely happy and insanely excited. So like those two, you can always subscribe. Be sure to leave a little like down below. Let me know what you guys think. This application is super awesome, and this application, autotouch, is even awesomer. That's that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.